While meditating, we are simply seeing what the mind has been doing all along. Alan Lucas. Step 1. Be prepared to deal with obstacles. Your mind will come up with obstacles to your practice from time to time. It will bring up excuses for you not to meditate. The most common ones are, I'm too busy and I don't have time for it. Well, you can do it for only 5 minutes. Or, I'm too tired. You can still do it for 5 minutes. Even if you are super busy or tired, sitting for as little as 5 minutes and breathing deeply will be better for you than sleeping those 5 minutes. And funny enough, it will also likely improve your sleep quality. Let's do a quick exercise to increase your resilience to these obstacles. Close your eyes for a minute and imagine that it's time to meditate, but your mind is coming up with excuses. It can be the usual, I'm too busy now, don't have time, or I'm too tired. Now visualize yourself talking back to the mind and saying, no matter what, I'll meditate today. I know this is good for me, and I cannot break my chain. Experience feeling empowered while winning over the resistance. See yourself practicing your meditation and feeling good after that. Remember, your enthusiasm for the practice may fluctuate, but not your determination to keep it no matter what. Your meditation and your willpower are strengthened every time you practice, even though you didn't feel like doing it. Step 2. Practice. Like yesterday, sit for 5 minutes, counting your breathing and paying attention moment after moment to the rising and falling of your chest or belly. Enjoy your practice.